What is up, you guys? Happy Monday. Ooh, it is holiday Monday today for us here in Canada, or at least in Ontario. I don't know if all of Canada celebrates this holiday, but it is civic holiday for us here. I honestly don't even know what civic holiday is, but all I know is you get a day off from work, and most like business places are closed, so I don't have an issue with it. So yes, happy Monday. It is a little bit late. It is like 2 o'clock, so I'm starting the vlog super late today. But today has just been a chill day. We've just been inside chilling. So yeah, I woke up this morning and I did my workout, which is good. I'm going strong. I'm going into my second week, and I'm just praying that I complete this week and I'm successful. So yeah, I worked out this morning. I had a really good workout. We just been chilling. We low-key all camped out in the living room yesterday. Me, Jermaine, and Shania. We have little camp outs in the living room. We just like watch Disney movies and like slept or whatever. So we just been chilling, continuing watching movies. It's a bit of a gloomy day. Like, it was raining. I don't know if you guys can see the raindrops on the car. It was raining. It looks like it's just starting to clear up now. So it's been raining, so we just been vibing at home. Nothing really to do outside of the house, so we've been chilling at home. And yeah, I made breakfast and we just been chilling out, so there really hasn't been anything to vlog. So yeah, I'm just here in my car. Actually, I had to come into my car to get something. Do y'all keep things in the car and then low-key have to come in your car to get it? Like, I have my hairbrush in here, I have my nail glue in here because I did do my press-on nails. So I have my nail glue in here, my hairbrush is in here, and I have a few little knickknacks in here, just so when I'm on the road I have it. But sometimes when I'm at home I need like the things I have in the car. So yeah, I had to come in my car to get some stuff, and then I'm like, okay, let me just start off this vlog because I haven't started off the vlog yet. We're trying to keep strong with the daily vlogs, you know what I'm saying? So I decided to come on in here and just start the vlog real quick. Plus babe is sleeping inside. He's taking a very long nap. So yeah, so I edited a video. My first daily vlog went up today, which is last week for you guys. So I'm hoping you guys are enjoying the vlog so far. I've really been enjoying doing these vlogs. I'm really enjoying the daily vlog thing. So let me know if you guys are enjoying it, and if you want to see more vlogs, just comment down below and let your girl know. But yeah, my video went up and I scheduled my Tuesday and Wednesday video to go up. And so now I just need to edit my Thursday video so I can get that up and running. But by the time you guys are seeing this video, all that stuff is already up. So yeah, I've just edited that video. We just been chilling at home. No idea what I'm going to be doing for dinner today. I'm not even thinking about dinner right now. I still feel kind of full from breakfast. But yeah, so yeah, what my plan is for today is I really want to revamp my curly wig that I was wearing last week. I want to revamp that one, so I want to wash it and all that stuff. But the videos that I've been watching saying like to revive your synthetic wig, you should soak it in like fabric softener and water, and I don't have fabric softener liquid. Like, I'm the type of person who uses like the dryer sheets, like fabric softener sheets. So I'm thinking of going to the store to buy some fabric softener so that I can redo that wig. Plus I also want to make that curly wig, that hair that I bought last week. I've yet to make it into a wig, so I want to make it into a wig. So I need to start that. So I kind of want to do that today, but I don't know because I am off from work tomorrow. So I'm thinking if I should just wait till tomorrow to do it. I don't know. All I know is that I have hair that I need to tend to. I have hair that I need to do, and I low-key don't even want to do it, but I need it to do it. So yeah, that is kind of on my agenda today. I just don't know if I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna have to figure out which stores are open because, like I said, it is a holiday, so everything isn't open today. So I need to figure out what is open and try to see if I can get like a little bottle of fabric softener so I can do that hair. So yeah, I kind of want to be productive today, but I kind of don't want to be productive today because it is a holiday and I want to just use it as like a day to just chill with the fam. Although we did a lot of chilling yesterday, I still just want to, like, you know, just chill out, but I also need to be productive and I need to stay consistent and on track because I don't want to fall off of these videos and stuff, you know what I mean? And I want my hair done so that I can have different looks to film and do like different types of content, right? So the struggle is real. But yeah, I just came into my car to pick up some stuff and I thought I would just start off the vlog real quick. And so I'm gonna go back inside and decide what the hell I need to do because I haven't done anything as yet, and it's already like after 2, as I mentioned. It's 2:12 at this point in time. I haven't done anything productive. Well, I did edit one vlog, so I guess I can go back and edit another vlog. It is currently rendering. So yeah, you guys, just wanted to come on and say what's up, and yeah. Okay, you guys, so sorry for the horrible angle, but I don't know where else to put you, and I'm in my lab, aka my bathroom. So we're finally gonna work on this wig. You guys, this wig has just been such a stress for me lately. I'm gonna post a picture of what the wig used to look like here on the screen. But the wig was so pretty when I first got it, you guys. But the thing with synthetic hair, especially when it's curly, is that you cannot do anything to really define the curls, and you can't really comb it out or else you're gonna lose the curl. And it's not like human hair or virgin hair where you can wet it and the curl comes back. And so I was trying to maintain my curls for as long as I could, but eventually it needed to be like combed out, or like, you know, I was really trying with this. So I was trying to finger comb it. I was putting mousse in it, I was putting argan oil in it to prevent it from frizzing when I was combing it out, and the wig just went left, like completely left. So I tried to re-curl it with my curling wand, but it wasn't curling with the curling wand. It says it can take heat, but it just wasn't curling. So then I tried to straighten it with my straightener, and it did straighten kind of nicely. So I don't know if you guys can see, I straightened like the extreme front here, and it did straighten pretty nicely. But of course I needed to go and do the rest of the wig, and I haven't done it yet. And I'm like, okay, I think this will come out a lot nicer if I wash it, because even the ends, as you can see, is really dry and it's frayed, and it's just synthetic hair problem. So I decided that I'm going to revive this hair by washing it and then applying the heat to make it straight, or like a natural straight. So that is what we're gonna do today. So this is what the wig is looking like. Like I said, I tried straightening this side already, and you know, this is what it looks like. But of course, this is what the other side looks like after it's been completely brushed out. And then this is what the ends are looking like also. This is the front of the wig and the parting. So yes, so I did go to Shoppers Drug Mart, and I did get some fabric softener. This is the fabric softener that I got. I got the fleecy. I know a lot of people usually use the downy one, but this one was on sale, so I picked up the sale one. It says it's fleecy complete, color protection, which I don't need, fewer wrinkles, which I don't need, softening properties, which I need, and freshness, which I need. So this is gonna have the wig nice and soft, as well as smelling really good. And then I also bought some conditioner. I just got this Pantene Ultimate 10 conditioner. It says it has 10-in-1 benefits. So this is the conditioner that I got. So I'm going to co-wash this hair first, and then once I finish co-washing it, I'm gonna put it to soak in some fabric softener for about like an hour or so. And I really just want it to, you know, soak in the fabric softener so it can get really soft. And then I'm gonna rinse everything out, and then I'm gonna put it to dry on my canvas head, my canvas form, whatever it's called. And then I'm going to go in with my blow dryer that has a comb attached, and I'm gonna comb through it, and then I'm gonna straighten it with the actual straightener. I don't know if I'm gonna complete all of this stuff tonight, but at least I want to get this soaking so it can start to, you know, come back, so I can revive it a little bit. So we're gonna start off with washing. So I'm making sure that I'm really focusing on the front here, which gets a lot of product, like got to be spray and got to be gel. So I'm making sure that I'm really focusing in the front, and then as well as the bottom. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with some of my conditioner, and I'm just gonna apply it on the hair. Turn off the water, and I'm just gonna rub this through the hair. Okay, so now I'm gonna rinse this out, and I'm using lukewarm water, so not too hot, not too cold. And I'm just gonna start to rinse out the conditioner. Okay, so now that we've rinsed the conditioner out, I'm going to soak the wig in some fabric softener and a little bit of the conditioner in hot water. So luckily for me, my pipe can get really hot on its own. But if you have a pipe that doesn't get as hot, I would recommend boiling some water. So I'm just gonna fill this plastic tub with hot water, super hot water. So I'm gonna go ahead and let my pipe get hot. And you guys can probably see it's already making smoke. I don't know why. I honestly don't even think this is safe, but the water can get really hot. So I'm just gonna let that get hot. And then I'm gonna put some water in it. And I'm also gonna put some conditioner as well. Not too much, just a little, very small amount. And I'm also gonna put in fabric softener. So I'm gonna add about a capful of fabric softener. So let me just pour in a capful. I'm actually gonna add in a little bit more, about 1/3. Okay, and then you're gonna want to stir this up. So I'm just gonna use a comb to stir this up. If the water is hot, I do not suggest you putting your hand in there because you're gonna burn your hand. So I'm just gonna stir this up, make sure that the conditioner blends into the water. And it smells so good, you guys, because it's fabric softener. You know fabric softener smells really good. And then I'm going to gently submerge the hair in the water. So just, you know, nice and gentle. Make sure everything gets put in there. I'm just gonna use the comb to submerge it. And you can add more water if you need to. So I'm gonna add some more hot water to it. And I'm going to let this soak for about an hour or so. So I'm just gonna bring this into my bathtub to soak, and then we're gonna come back and rinse it out. So I'll see you guys in an hour. All right, you guys, so it's now 7:15. Which means the hair got about 2 hours to soak. We went out for ice cream. So your girl had a little ice cream, so we were gone. So I'm gonna go and assess the hair now. It's been soaking for 2 hours. And I mean, the longer the better anyways. So, you know, it's supposed to be real soft and real nice now. So I'm gonna go get the bowl and we're gonna take a look at this hair. Okay, let me set you guys up. Okay, so like I said, the hair has been soaking for about 2 hours now. It is 7:16 16. See if y'all can see that, if it'll focus on my watch. Yes, no. Let me see. There you go. So yeah, it has been 2 hours, and we're just gonna take a little look-see at the hair. So of course, some of the mascara, some of the concealer I had in the parting hair, some of that is starting to come off. So I'm gonna be able to, you know, go back in and add more. So that is the least. But this is what the hair is looking like. It smells really, really, really good. So I'm just gonna swirl it in the hair a few times real quick, and I'm gonna just wring out all of the water. So I'm just gonna place the wig right here real quick at the side here, and I'm gonna let out this water. And we're gonna rinse out this hair really, really quickly, and then I'm going to pat dry the hair. I'm just gonna take the wig, place it on the towel, and I'm gonna kind of like wrap it up in the towel as well. So I just folded it this way, fold it this way, and I'm just gonna press down on it and kind of like pat dry the hair. Okay, so here is what she's currently looking like. She needs to be detangled. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my brush, and I'm gonna start to just brush through her while she's wet. I'm gonna start off at the tips of the hair first, just to make the detangling process a little bit easier. So I'm just gonna start by detangling from the end. Okay, so I've kind of brushed her out here. Yeah, I'm kind of brushed her out. She looks really nice and clean and shiny at the top. The ends, I don't know how much of it I'll be able to bring back, but I'm gonna put this on my wig head that I have here. I'm gonna put her here on my wig form head. So I'm just gonna plop her on. And then I'm gonna pin it down using some T-pins. These are what they look like. So I'm just gonna pop those in the top to just make sure she stays put. 2 at the top, and I'm gonna do 1 towards the middle here, just so she stays down. I am gonna leave her overnight to dry because she still is a little bit wet, and I want her to completely air dry before I go in with any like heat products or anything, especially since this is synthetic. I don't want to go in with heat while the hair is still kind of wet. Like, I'm not going to blow dry her or anything, so I'm going to let this stay overnight, and tomorrow we will go in and, you know, straighten her out and everything when she's fully air dry. So yeah, this is what she's looking like so far. Y'all, that was a task and a half. Like, detangling this hair was so much work. It was so detangled, not so much on the sides, but in the back, in the nape area. Ooh, it was so tangled. So yeah, I'm gonna leave her to dry overnight, and then tomorrow, in tomorrow's vlog, you guys will see the finished product with her. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm gonna end the vlog off here. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below and let me know if you are enjoying the vlogs. I hope you guys are. Really hope you guys are. So yes, and if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Just hit that subscribe button down below, boo. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.